Hi everyone, I am Eng Tiong, Microsoft MVP in Windows development. Today I'm going to share about C Sharp, branching and looping by using Xamarin Studio. Before going to know more about branching and looping, with Xamarin, harness your existing team skill, investment and code to go mobile in less time. With better result, Xamarin is a fantastic tool that done all the work to allow us to be able to write a mobile application in C Sharp and run it on just about any mobile platform. Xamarin is a native cross-platform technology used to write native apps for Windows, Android, and iOS phone. To develop an app in Xamarin, you must have knowledge of .NET C Sharp. It works with Visual Studio that allow developers to build native mobile applications using C Sharp. For today, we will discuss about C Sharp branching and looping. C Sharp branching and looping depend upon Boolean and algebra. Before we understand looping and branching, we need to understand Boolean algebra. Boolean means true or false. A condition can either be true or false. Boolean require one of the below mentioned in Boolean operator. For example, you can see Boolean the result equal 1 less than 2. Here we can see 1 is less than 2, which is definitely true, so result will be assigned value as true. Jumping from one code block to other. Jumping from one code block to another is done by the goto test statement. We can label a code block and jump to the code block by using the label. You can see the example inside got goto statement in the program. Here the code will never reach last statement as it will jump again and again to start label. Branching. Branching can be done using if-else constructor or ternary operator or switch statement. We will know further for the next slide. First, if-else construct is used when we have more than one condition. Ternary operator is used when we have single condition evaluating to true or false. Switch case is used when evaluation to multiple conditions is done. Using if-else to calculate input or even or odd. For ternary operator, to calculate input is even or odd. General syntax condition, true result compared with false result. Using switch operator to calculate input is even or odd. Look, now we are going to talk about looping in C Sharp. Looping can be done in C Sharp in four ways. Four ways are do while loop, second while loop, third for loop, and for each loop. Do while loop. Do while loop are used when first value can be printed without any operation on it. For example, when we need to output a statement balance after getting money from ATM. Second, while loop. While loop is used when a loop continues to work till a condition evaluated to true. For example, working with reader object from database. For loop. For loop can be used when we know of iteration need to be done. For each loop in C# is used to loop through a collection. Now we are going for a demo. Okay, at the beginning, we already mentioned that we are using Xamarin Studio for doing the demo. Okay, let us get started. This session will let you implement a program to read the user age. The age will arrive in your program as string, so you will need to convert it to an integer. Once the age is integer format, you can use it in mathematical expression. You will then convert the integer back to a string and display it to the user. The high-level goal of this demo are first, read user input, convert string to an integer, convert an integer to a string. Okay. For your left-hand side, you can the file program.cf file should already be opened in the text editor. If it is not, open it by double-clicking on the file name in the solution view. Second, please delete the console.writeLine that Xamarin Studio generated inside the main. Third, allow you code will be written inside the curly braces that delimit main position the cursor in the text editor windows on the line below the open curly braces format. Use console.write to print out a prompt to the user asking them to enter their age. Use console.write will leave the cursor on the same line as the prompt, which should be a more intuitive experience for the user. Note that there is nothing wrong with using console.write here instead. It is mainly personal preference about the way it looks to the user. If you have time, feel free to try using console.write and see how it behavior. The console windows is based on everything you read from it arrive as a string. There is no way to say read an integer from the console. You can say only, or you only say read the line, the console, and give it to me as string. Use console.readLine to read the user age. Store the return value in string variable named your age. Converting string to an integer would be a tedious process if you had to do it manually. For example, to convert the string 457 to the integer 457, you would need to figure out which digit was in the one place, which digit was in 10 place actually. Then you would compute 4 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 7. Luckily, the standard library does this for you. In your program, you will see pass method to convert the user age from a string to an integer. Then store the result in an integer variable, name your age as int. Let us run the program and see the output. Now you will run your program by clicking run, then start then start okay. Restart without debugging, or you will, when you first time you will start without debugging menu entry. Recall the clicking start without debugging actually does clearly save your work, build your project and run your program. A console window should appear on your screen and display the program output. Okay, let me stop first and run. Okay, you can see the output at the bottom. It just asks you to key in your age. That's all for my video. Thank you.